How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Gearhead Gallery here at GR Auto Gallery. My name is Ethan, and we're going to be talking about this 1976 Cadillac Eldorado that's right behind me. These Eldorados are absolute land yachts. They ride exceptionally well, and it's powered by a 500 cubic inch V8 motor, which is one of the largest ever put into a production vehicle. This example behind me here is finished in a wonderful shade of yellow, features a brown pinstripe that runs the entire length of the vehicle that complements the brown leather interior very nicely. Other highlights on the exterior include the LED headlights, the black painted hubcaps that are wrapped with the Vogue tires make for a really classic and appealing look on this Cadillac Eldorado. The motor, transmission, and scissor top have recently been rebuilt, meaning they are all in wonderful working condition, and we'll go ahead and show you guys how the power top works later in this video. Now that we've talked a bit about the exterior, let's go ahead and hop inside the car, take it out for a drive. Alright guys, we are now inside the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado. I'm going to go over some of the other features this car has on the interior, and then we'll go ahead and get it out on the road, take it for a drive, and show you guys a bit more about how it drives. Starting off, we have a wonderful ornate wood grain trim throughout the interior. You have it here on the door card as well as up on the dash. Steering wheel features some of it as well, though not quite as detailed as up on the dash. On this example, we do have power windows, power door locks, as well as a window lockout, so you can make sure that whoever's riding in the back can't control their windows anymore. Also featured in this example is a power top as well as rear window defroster. That's actually pretty cool considering this is a soft top we have here, but it does have the glass rear window back there with the defroster lines running through it. We also have a modern radio here that's styled in a retro manner, as well as cruise control and automatic climate control. Now that we've gone over some of the other features, we're going to go ahead and get it out on the road, and I'll show you guys a bit more as we get driving. As you heard there, it started up without any hesitation. Pop it into drive and we are off and rolling. Horn works. As I previously mentioned in the video, these cars do drive like a land yacht. They are exceptionally comfortable and super large. Looking out over the hood here, you see the wonderful Cadillac hood ornament, large and in charge on the front of the car. Man, this thing rides so comfortably. This example's been largely rebuilt. As I said, it has a rebuilt transmission and engine, but it also comes with a long list of other things that have been recently replaced or redone. Those can be available upon request. Should you guys be interested in this car, you can check it out at grautogallery.com. Full listing will be there along with over 100 pictures of the exterior, interior, and underside of the vehicle. Putting your foot down, it does have quite a bit of power coming from that 500 cubic inch V8 motor under the hood, but nothing that's going to blow your socks off given the size of the vehicle. As you guys could hear there, the radio is in fact functioning. And we'll go ahead and show you guys the power top once we pull back into our parking lot. Overall, this thing drove really, really well. Power steering works exceptionally well on this thing. You can almost control it with just one finger like I was doing there. Whether you're looking for something to just go cruising on the weekend, something to go get ice cream, or something to take to a car show, you're going to be able to arrive refreshed and ready to go. These seats are exceptionally comfortable, recently been reupholstered as well. But let's go ahead and show you guys how the power top works. So what you're first going to want to do is you're going to want to pull down the sun visors and undo these clamps on either side. Once that happens, you'll see that the roof kind of pops up a bit, and then you just go ahead and hit the switch on the dash. Wow, the sun is bright. So as you can see, all it is just pop those clips and hit the button, and the top will go down without an issue. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out our other videos here at the Gearhead Gallery from GR Auto Gallery. And as I previously stated, if you're interested in this car, please check out our website at grautogalery.com.